So doing a mic check. We're doing a sound test to see how this works. Just going to be right up the street. Hopefully all the 190's fine. Hopefully it's all good, you can hear what I'm saying and you can hear the bike. That is what we're aiming for here. It looks like there's a big storm on its way. There's that thing it does. So anyway, hopefully you can hear me. I've got a microphone and I've got a few bits and bobs that have hopefully going up the YouTube game a little bit. I put new wheels on the 190, which I'll hopefully show you. I tried to make a video before but I had the wrong kind of microphone. For the GoPro you need like a microphone with two little bits in it, not an ad three. The gearbox in this Lifan thing does feel like shit. I mean, people say it's fine, but compared to the Honda, it just doesn't feel like it's going into gear properly, ever. Although it is, oh Christ, it's way quicker. See, it's doing that thing. I think it's a clutch issue. I thought for a while I was having electrical problems. Because when I first got it, there was no spark. And we had to fuck around with all sorts of stuff, mixing the Honda stuff. Was, despite what everyone says on the internet, these Lifan engines are hunks of shit. They're cheap and nasty, horrible things. Some people get really good ones and others just don't work. Don't get me wrong, it's quicker than the 90, but it's not nice to ride. And it just feels crap, like it just doesn't feel good. Doesn't install confidence. It always feels like you're running along and it's like, oh, what's that funny vibration, or what's this fucking funny rumbling sound? And they all seem to have them. You ask in some of the forums and people are like, oh, these Lifans are great, and a couple of people have managed to do loads and loads of miles in them. But then you see a lot of folk have had clutch issues and they're changing all the parts and they can't get to the bottom of it. Old John, who came with us to Braemar, he was like, there's something wrong with his clutch, can't figure out what. So he's fucked. He doesn't. I don't know how you can fix it. You don't. He's put a new clutch in, new clutch plates, all sorts of stuff. Another guy I knew, his clutch lasted 2 miles. So we'll wait and see. I don't know if it could just be, it could be anything. Maybe there was contaminants in the plate, whatever, I don't know. Somebody could have maybe put too much grease on a part and it's on the clutch plates, and maybe it's just burning off. And hopefully I'll change a couple more oil changes and that'll be it. Or it could get worse, I don't know. It's got a breakdown cover though, so that's not too bad. You know you're a shit driver when you're getting caught up and hounded by a fucking Honda 90 with a headwind. You can see the roads are really salty, that's why they're all sort of white looking. That's the salt to stop it all freezing, obviously it's winter time. Hopefully the weather gets a little bit better. I'll take the Honda 90 out for a longer run before we've got the Sooner Wildcat Rally, because I didn't want the clutch fucking up in the middle of nowhere. Traffic jam. There's the pub. Hopefully it'll be open soon. We're fixing it up. Some rich guys bought it. What's that? Sounding good. Oh, you can. Fucking hell. So we'll stop here. And you can see the 90. So I've put these wheels in it. 72 spoke wheels, they're slightly wider, but I did the job. and they look fucking good. Apparently they're not the strongest things, so I'll keep an eye on all the spokes for the spoke tension, but I'm pretty chuffed. I think it looks sweet. Fergus doesn't. Oh, I don't think that's a very good look there. You got too many spokes. Oh. That's what he says. I think Ferg's editing a video from Braemar at the moment, so hopefully I'll be able to put that up as well. Well, I'll put a link to his channel, because Ferg's videos are usually pretty good. I'm going to try and do a high speed run at the top road. Oh, that's a bit bumpy here. Ooh. Don't know what the fuck that is. Hiya! And we're going to chase these people down. That's in 20, into third. Funny vibration. Look at this, that guy's overtaking. We'll likely be overtaken as well real soon. 45, that is the old cruising speed. And now 50, look at that, holy shit. Okay, so we are holding at full throttle, but I will cruise at 50 all day with this Chinese engine in it. I'm actually catching up with this person, look at this. Oh, 47, but down the hill. This is where it's at. They're braking, they're braking. Come on, you can fit a fucking jumbo jet through there. Oh no, that's a rain on. So yeah, the gear change on this fucking Lifan engine, it's stiff. It's fine going down the box, but up the box it just feels stiff and horrible. Apparently it will get better, but we'll wait and see. Anyway, well, hopefully that you can all hear me and that's all good. Anyway, I'll catch you later on. Ciao. Look at the fucking traffic. What the fuck? Get up the middle there.